Hi everyone, this is Junko. Today I'm making shabu-shabu style salad. Shabu-shabu means swish swish in Japanese. It's a sound of thinly sliced meat cooked in a hot pot. And a shabu-shabu hot pot is something we enjoy in the winter time. But today I'm making the meat in shabu-shabu style and then put it into salad. You finish it off with a creamy sesame dressing. And I hope you like it, so join me in the kitchen.
Place a tablespoon of roasted white sesame seeds into a sesame grinder or mortar and pestle and grind it. For sesame seeds, I recommend using toasted plum kind. Japanese, Korean, and Middle Eastern brands carry ideal sesame seeds for this dish. And then add 1 tablespoon of tahini, and then white miso, another 1 tablespoon, and mix it up. And then add 1 tablespoon of water to make it creamy and saucy consistency. And if you need to, you can add slightly more water. And here's a nice and creamy sesame sauce called goma-da-re. Next, you get a frying pan and add water and boil water, and you start adding thinly sliced meat. Once the meat is completely cooked, take them out and place them on a plate for now. And you may have to repeat this process for a couple times in order to cook every slices of meat. Here I have a plate of green salad that's been already washed and dried, and I'm just going to place the cooked meat on top of it. And drizzle some of the white sesame sauce. To finish it off, garnish with the white sesame seeds. And here's your shabu-shabu style salad. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe. I also posted some of the cooking tools that I used in this video below this clip, so I hope you find it useful. See you next time!